So Kimberly, what I did in your project was I deleted this across. I deleted the blend shapes, right? Because you had it all in separate blend shape channels. So what I did is I selected all of these, then this guy here, right? Because it's the blend shape head, and then just go to create. And there it is. It places all the targets into one section, one blend shape. Usually I name these as face expression or something like that. So that way we can have different categories for different body parts, right? So that's one of the advantages of doing it this way, is that you can actually assign a different blade shape to something different, right? So now, the one thing I mentioned, or I wanted to mention, is that this guy here, the face, if I grab this right now, and I want to fix this, right? So I'm going to isolate everything else. Alright, so what if we want to fix the face? Well, because the problem is the topology is not right. This kind of looks weird. If I smooth this out, the face kind of looks a bit awkward there, especially if I turn off the wireframe, right? And you get a line here. So what I do is I actually go right to the brush under sculpt tools, relax, but you see now it doesn't work, right? And the reason why it's saying down here that this has to be cleaned up, the geometry has to be cleaned up. The cleanup happens under mesh, cleanup at the bottom right here. And then all I have to do at this point is use the defaults, hit apply. Right, now we can select it and we can go and hit this guy. Now we can pretty much use a relax. It relaxes the geometry, right? And I'm starting to get rid of some of those creases. Now these lines are too close to one another, so I'm just gonna relax them so it makes them more evenly. Seeing the ones around the cheeks, right? I need to adjust some things and then double click. Then I'm going to get this window and I can adjust the size and also the strength. I need the strength to be at 100%, and point value is probably the best for the size of the head. Right, so again, we're going to fix some of these sections, make it a lot more even, distribute it a lot even, right? Especially back here. So I'm not gonna do it all, but you can already see a difference, right? So this doesn't look as condensed. It doesn't really now show an edge. Same thing down here, right? So anyways, just keep that in mind, and when you get a chance, try to apply this, okay?